I present to you luxury chimichurri wings. Look at those beauties. Mm-mm. Boy, they just a glistening. Got some whole wings. We gonna turn them into party wings. Y'all already know how we do. Let's get the snips. Go ahead. That's it. All right, we're gonna make it super simple. Only thing we doing, y'all know what this is. A dry brine. This is all the dry seasons that's gonna go on here because we gonna use that chimichurri sauce. That's gonna be the whole flavor. Piece of oak up in there first. Let's let that fire roll, baby. All right, peeps, we got it smoking. So we're gonna throw it on here at a low temp. It's probably like at 100 degrees right now. And then what we're gonna let it do, we're just gonna let it get up to about 350 on its own and get these wings, crispy, rendery on the fat, and they're gonna be good. So we're going low like this first so we can get a lot of smoke on them. Because we want that smoke flavor. Other than that, ain't no sense in putting them on the smoker if you ain't gonna get no smoke flavor. Now, what we want to make is one of my favorite sauces, chimichurri. Ooh, smell that?
Yeah, that smell good.
Good.
You never thought parsley could smell that good.
Yeah. Want a little extra. Y'all know the drill. Chop up everything fine.
Yeah, that's good.
Big old juicy line. We need a little fat, a little extra virgin olive oil. And we got to flavor it. I got, what's this? 3/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. I got a half teaspoon of oregano. I got a half teaspoon of black pepper. And I got a smidgen of red pepper. And I got a half teaspoon of thyme. Bam. That's it. Mmm.
That smells good.
Y'all like my tasting spoon? See what we got. I just want a little bit more salt. That's it. That's it.
That's it.
All right, folks, we've been an hour in. Looking good. Looking good. Yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about. So these probably gonna go, I guess, another half an hour. Man, I like that. It's doing exactly what I wanted to do. We got it up to 300 degrees. Smoking, cooking, baby. All right, man. Let's give it about 30 minutes. We're gonna see what it do. We're gonna let this side get some of that good heat. See, my heat is a little more over here. Yes. Sometimes you gotta switch it around on that. Pay attention to your cooker. That's it. All right, we'll be back. All right, y'all. This fire is going really good. So instead of checking at 30 minutes, we're gonna check at 20 minutes. See what we got. Nice and tender wings. Oh, that one's really hot. Yeah, let's go ahead and take these off. They nice and done. Gonna be nice and juicy. Ooh, this pan getting hot. All right, let's go inside and eat these. Oh yes, we about to go ahead and sauce these wings up now, baby.
Yum, yum, yummy.
Yummy. Mm-hmm. So do a few of them. That's it. They look gorgeous though. Mm-hmm. Do like what they usually do when you go to the restaurant? It'd be like a eight piece.
Yeah, 8, 12, 6.
Mm-hmm. Okay. We do it. We go ahead and make it official. Do it like them. He's a good boy.
Ooh, wee.
Color. That color.
Ooh, you finna climb.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, hold on.
Mm-mm. Ooh-wee. Let's take a second bite. Can't stop eating them. It's like Lay's. Boy, the flavor on these wings is truly incredible and unique. Isn't this a thing of beauty? I didn't hold back on the recipe, guys. You just seen it from beginning to end. Put this in your wing recipe rotation. You won't regret it. I'm telling you. Catch you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace. Hold on, y'all. I gotta go in for another bite.